Hi everyone, my name is Stefan, and today we're going to take a look at this DRC model D10. Okay, so let's look at the box. Here you can see the drone in front. On the side they show you what exactly the drone can do. In the back they tell you a multi-language function, and we're coming back here. So let's look inside. You can see that's a nice pouch. It's like plastic, but you know, with a nice handle. Let's open it. And voila! You can see everything is at its place. The drone, the remote control, and everything come with it. So that's the drone. Let's open it. Voila! You can see on top here, this is the power. In front you have two light here plus the camera here, and the camera, I try it, it's most 720p. The remote control, this is going to be the antenna. If you want to wait, let me 10 seconds. Wait. Et voila. If this is good when you want to install a cell phone, so like that you can take picture or make a video. You need three double A battery inside the remote, and when you press on, you're making a beep beep beep, and you have a red light. Let's look inside the pouch. User manual, two lithium battery, four guard, the cable for the power when it's time to recharge the battery. You have one, and you have a second one, so let's make two. Here you have a caution for the battery to be careful with it, and you have four propeller, two for the back and two for the front, and they wrote A and B, so like that you can see where exactly they're going. Okay, let's put the battery inside. You see in the back you have a way to install it. The way is going to be like that. Just go not too hard. You're going to hear like a click, and voila, it's done. Okay, let's open it now. You want to press on. You can see in the front we have four white light. On the side, white and red. In the back, on the side, on the top you have another one, red light. Now I'm going to press on the power. That's mean okay. To calibrate this, and on the side, wait, et voila, and this is calibrate now. And when it's time to put the battery in the back, you have, wait, I'm just going to close it because I don't want this guy to move, to go away. Here you can see a screw. Just unscrew it, install the battery, and put it back the screw if you want, but I put it back just to be sure, just to be safe, the battery not go out. Um, the drone can go all the way up 262 feet. Me, when I tried it, it was only at 6 feet. The weight of the drone with the battery inside, it's 152 grams. The battery are lithium and they include inside the pouch. The only thing you need to do is only to recharge it. The charging time for the battery, the drone battery, it's an hour 30 minutes to charge it. To take picture or video, you need to go on Android platform and download DRC FPV, and this drone is for 14 years old older. Let me show you the picture I take at the summer camp outside and where I live too. Now you can see the picture of the drone with the light on it, and you can see the picture of the drone take it with this camera in front, and you're going to see a video too. The drone is inside the house. You can see it's not really clear, it's dark a little bit, but at least you can see what is going to be the quality of the camera here inside the house with the light open. I hope you like this video about this drone DRC. If you like it, don't forget to share with all your friends this video and do a thumbs up at the same time. And if you want, you can always leave a comment down there. And like always, don't forget to subscribe. It's going to be helpful for this channel. And see you in another one.